many of us experience unwanted facial hair, me included. Hey, it's Martina with Everyday Kentucky, and we are here at Uptown Laser, and I'm joined by Kathy Alexander, the owner. So, a lot of people may be embarrassed when it comes to facial hair, especially me growing up. I'm getting more comfortable talking about it, but that is something you all specialize in, right?
We do. Actually, facial hair is the #1 area that we treat. A lot of people don't know that, but it's a really common problem. It's so much more common than what you think. And I tell people, come in for a consultation and we can talk about it. This is truly, there's not anything you can tell me that's going on with your facial hair that I haven't heard 10,000 times already at this point. But the technology really can get rid of it like you never had the problem, and it's a magic eraser where you can just have smooth skin for the rest of your life.
Yeah, and when it comes to unwanted facial hair, sometimes it's a symptom of a bigger problem. I know you serve a lot of patients suffering from PCOS. So what is PCOS and how are you treating it here?
So polycystic ovarian syndrome is something that is an endocrine problem, basically, that faces a lot of people. Anywhere from 10 to 20% of the population out there deals with this. And it just means that your body is producing more hormones than what's normal, and it can cause all kinds of issues. Causes problems with fertility, causes problems with your hair. It's going to cause problems with weight gain, that sort of thing. So here in the clinic, when we treat, we're able to take away one of those side effects and make it like it's not a problem anymore for someone.
All right, and when it comes to unwanted facial hair, it's not just women, it's also men that experience it as well. So you do have male clients too.
Exactly. We treat lots of men, and sometimes people don't think of men wanting to remove their facial hair. Some men remove all of their facial hair. They don't want to shave anymore for the rest of their life. But a lot of men actually just customize their beard. So they can change how it is on their cheeks, change how it is on their neck, change the back of their neck. So they never touch a razor to their skin for the rest of their life. They just use a little trimmer to basically keep the beard the length that they want it to be.
And it also helps sometimes, I see, with those ingrown hairs.
Absolutely.
On males' necks as well.
It's the #1 area where men will come and just talk to me about major irritation and ingrowns. And with the laser, it can just be customized where it's beautiful, clear skin. You'll never know that you had a problem.
And speaking of genders, you also service the trans community as well, and you have been for quite some time.
We have been, and you know, it's interesting with the trans community because it seems to be new in the news, but in the laser world, we've been serving trans guests for a really long time, and this is often one of the first steps on that journey where we help guests to be able to get their hair the way that they want it to be.
Yeah, so no matter what people identify with, you are here to serve.
Yes, absolutely. And this is a place where you'll feel comfortable. You can ask all the questions that you want. We're going to be able to take care of the problem, and we're going to be able to give you an honest assessment of what it's going to take.
Well, speaking from an honest experience of going through it, you all do walk us through the process. You are patient, kind, and so informational when it comes to unwanted hair. And there is no reason to be ashamed. I suffer from it. If you suffer from it, just go to uptownlaser.com for more information. This has been Martina with Everyday Kentucky. We'll be back with more right after this.